About what is he talking about? Smells like ass, sex. What? What drawing?
Just stand there.
I'm Freddie Brooks.
Are you qualified?
Yes,
You're
bright,
done.
I'm friendly, and I'm a National Merit Scholar.
No experiment. Well, it's not a take-home test.
But let me go see what the dude. What is what talking about? I don't get it. Like, it smells like sex. What is wrong with him? What's up with him? What's wrong with him? Like, I don't get it. It smells like text messages, eating cereal, interrupting my cereal. I really don't get it. Whoa! Didn't see that. Didn't see it. Just I didn't see it. She left me.